Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Honeywell Air Purifier filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the clean air quality that your Honeywell Air Purifier is designed to deliver, ensuring that it continues to effectively capture allergens, dust, smoke, and other airborne pollutants that can impact your health and comfort within your living space. Replacing your filter regularly is crucial for optimal performance, as a clogged or old filter significantly reduces the unit's efficiency and can even lead to the recirculation of trapped particles back into your home, diminishing the very benefits you sought when purchasing the air purifier in the first place. Number 5. Honeywell HRF A300 Air Purifier Pre-Filter Kit. This pre-filter kit is designed to capture larger airborne particles like dust, lint, and pet fur. It helps to maximize the life of your main HEPA filter. The activated carbon within these filters works to reduce common household odors. For optimal performance, remember to replace them every 3 months. These pre-filters are pre-cut to perfectly fit specific Honeywell air purifier models. Ensure you have the right fit for your HPA 300, HPA 304, HPA 3300, HPA 5300, and HPA 8350 series. While compatible filters exist, only genuine Honeywell filters guarantee the same performance and efficiency. Trust in the brand for your clean air needs. This set includes 4 pre-filters, providing you with a full year supply. Keep your air clean and fresh with this convenient package. With over 25 years of experience in air cleaning technology, Honeywell designs its products with your comfort and clean air in mind. What we like. This set is designed to capture larger airborne particles, helping to extend the life of your main HEPA filter. It includes a full year's supply of pre-filters. If you have pets or a lot of dust in your home, you should consider this. What people say. The filter was more solid, heavier, thicker, and less see-through than the less expensive off-brand ones. On the lowest setting, immediately the air felt fresher and the smells vanished. The sound of the unit got softer. The carbon in the pre-filters is high quality and dense, and the HEPA filters last, for me, about 6 months as long as I keep the carbon filters replaced correctly. The pre-filters are like the ones that come with the new purifiers. They're dense and pre-cut, which makes them easy to install. Number 4. VEVA HPA 300 HEPA Filter Replacement. Breathe easier with our premium HEPA filter replacement. Designed to fit your Honeywell air purifier, it ensures cleaner air for your home. This pack includes 3 high-quality HEPA filters. You also get 4 pre-cut activated carbon pre-filters for enhanced odor control. Swapping out your old filters is simple. Enjoy optimal performance and a fresher living environment with these essential replacements. Our filters are built to last, providing continuous protection against airborne particles. Keep your air pure and your purifier running efficiently. Specifically made for compatible Honeywell models, this set offers a convenient and cost-effective way to maintain your air purifier's effectiveness. Don't compromise on the air you breathe. These filters help remove dust, pollen, and other allergens, contributing to a healthier home. What we like. This option provides both HEPA and activated carbon pre-filters for comprehensive air cleaning. It offers a good balance of HEPA filtration and odor reduction. If you're looking for a convenient combo pack for your HPA 300, this is a solid choice. What people say. The filters I received were all the same color, very white, and fit nicely into their slots. The pre-filter fit well and covers the Velcro strips. The thickness of the pre-filter is approximately the same as that of the original. So far I've only been running the purifier for a few minutes with the new filters, but there is no odd chemical smell. Number 3. LINNIW HPA 300 Air Replacement Filters 6-pack. Ensure your Honeywell air purifier runs smoothly with these compatible air filters. They fit HPA 100, HPA 200, HPA 300, and 5000 series models, including specific part numbers like HRF-R3, HRF-R2, and HRF-R1. Experience cleaner air with our premium filters. They capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, effectively removing pollen, dust, pet dander, smoke, and odors. Our filters are crafted with upgraded non-woven fabric and advanced low-density technology. This ensures higher filtration efficiency, maximizing your air purifier's performance for a fresher home. This value pack includes 6 air filters, providing a convenient and economical solution for maintaining optimal air quality. Replace them regularly to ensure a comfortable and healthy living space. Enjoy peace of mind with our high-quality filters, designed to help you breathe freely. We are committed to your satisfaction and offer 24-hour customer support for any assistance you may need. What we like. This package offers a high level of filtration, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles. The 6-pack ensures you have replacements for a long time, making it very cost-effective. If you want to ensure maximum air purity and are looking for a bulk purchase, this is ideal. What people say. It's the engine that keeps my air purifier running at peak performance, and I've noticed a substantial difference in air quality, especially during allergy season and around my pets. They are well-constructed filters. They appear almost identical to the Honeywell Air filters. They fit perfectly in my Honeywell HEPA 300. They were easy to install. And there was no smell. So the air quality is great. Fit and worked like advertised. Number 2. HEPA 100 replacement filters for Honeywell Air Purifier. Ensure your Honeywell Air Purifier is always working at its best. These replacement filters are designed to fit your HEPA 100, 104, and 094 models seamlessly. This pack includes 2 HEPA filters and 8 carbon pre-filters. They work together to capture allergens, dust, and odors effectively. Specifically engineered for compatibility with your Honeywell HEPA 100, 104, 094, and HRF/ARVP 100 series air purifiers. Enjoy optimal performance with a perfect fit. The HEPA filters trap 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. The carbon pre-filters capture larger particles and common household odors. Replacing your filters is a simple process that takes just minutes. Keep your air clean and fresh with minimal effort. Regular filter replacement is key to maintaining the efficiency of your air purifier. These filters help ensure you're always breathing the cleanest air possible. What we like. This kit is specifically tailored for the HEPA 100 series, providing multiple HEPA and carbon pre-filters. It's a great value for users with this particular model. If you own an HEPA 100 and want a comprehensive filter refresh, this bundle is perfect. What people say. Compared to the name brand's pre-filters, they are the exact same size, and perform just as effectively. They help me improve the air quality in my house. They're very easy to use and install. Bought Honeywell filters here and while *art and both had an awful chemical smell. I've bought VEVA filters before and thankfully these were the same high quality with no weird smell and you get 2 HEPA filters for the price of one brand name. Number 1. Blutoget HEPA 300 HEPA Filter Replacement Kit. Ensure a perfect fit for your Honeywell Air Purifier. These replacements are designed for HEPA 300, HEPA 200, HEPA 100 series and more, including specific Honeywell filter numbers. Experience enhanced air quality with our efficient filtration system. The true HEPA technology captures 99.7% of airborne particles, while activated carbon pre-filters tackle odors from cooking and smoke. Crafted with premium HEPA 13 MERV 17 material and activated carbon, these filters offer advanced, low-energy consumption filtration. Enjoy long-term use and fresher air in your home. This comprehensive set includes 3 HEPA 300 HEPA filters and 6 pre-cut activated carbon pre-filters. It provides everything you need for sustained clean air, offering great value. Replace your HEPA filters every 6 to 12 months and pre-filters every 2 to 3 months for peak performance. Our custom-fit pre-filters save you time and effort. Shop with confidence thanks to our 90-day after-sale service. We are committed to your satisfaction and will promptly address any quality concerns. What we like. This combo set features high-grade HEPA 13 material and activated carbon pre-filters for multi-layered purification. It's designed for efficient odor and smoke removal. If you live in an area prone to wildfire smoke or have smokers in the house, this comprehensive kit is a great solution. What people say. The air purifier is very quiet on its lowest setting, making it unobtrusive for bedrooms or living areas. It effectively captures dust, pet dander, and other allergens, noticeably improving air quality within hours. The filter replacement indicator light is a helpful feature, ensuring you know exactly when to change the filter for optimal performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.